welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 1619, mean of array after removing some elements. Doing this with JavaScript, it's considered an easy problem. This is given an integer array, return the mean of the remaining integers after removing the smallest 5% and the largest 5% of elements. Answers within 10 to 5 of the actual answer will be considered accepted. Alright, so look at this array here. It's got 20 elements in it. So 5% would be just one element. So we remove 1, remove 3, then you have all these 2's remaining. So if we add all these 2's up and divide it by 18, obviously we're going to get 2. So that's how we do this. One thing to note is array.length is a multiple of 20. That's a big hint right there. So let's grab this one here. Let's create our input and output. Let's create our function. And then let's log into the console. So, first thing we need to do is we need to get the number of numbers which we're going to remove, right? So in order to do that, we need to get 5% of whatever, however many numbers are here. I think it looks like 40 numbers are here. So we call that num. And in order to get 5%, we just say array.length divided by 20. Not 2, 20. So if we return num, should be 2, I believe. Yep, cool. So we're going to get rid of the lowest 2 numbers and the highest 2 numbers. So next thing we want to do is sort the array. Makes life easier. And we'll go ahead and sort in ascending order, doesn't really matter. Cool, now we have it sorted. And now what we can do is we can set up a for loop. Oh, we need a result variable too, so let's make a result variable. And so as opposed to saying 0, what we're going to do is I equals num. So now it's just going to start at whatever the index of num is. In this case 2. So we're going to start 0, 1, 2, start here, and then we push into result. So we don't get the first 2 numbers, the 2 lowest numbers, right? Next thing we're going to do to get the 2 highest numbers is we're going to go up through array.length minus num. That way we won't get the last 2 numbers. Oops. Okay, and then we just push everything into result because we're just never going to see the 2 lowest numbers and the 2 highest numbers. Okay, so now if we return result, there you go. We see an array minus these 10s and minus these 0s. So now what we need to do is we need to find the mean, the average. So as opposed to just returning a result, we can use reproduce method on sum around result. Create 2 variables. Here we need to say return sum plus equals n, and give it an initial sum value. So now that's giving us the sum of all the numbers that we have in result, but we need the mean. So the average we just divide by result.length. There you go. Let's go ahead and grab this. Move on over to Leetcode. Let's format our code. Run the tests. Go ahead and submit. There you go, we're good to go. All right, if you find this video enjoyable and helpful, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.